Marcus versus Marcus, GR number 136490, October 19, 2000. Brenda, plaintiff, married Wilson in 1982 and have 5 children. During their marriage, Brenda has always been very supportive to his husband. She never failed to encourage him, but Wilson unfortunately failed in business, getting a job and worse become abusive. Brenda sought for the nullity of their marriage on the ground of psychological incapacity. The RTC ruled the respondent Wilson to be psychologically incapacitated to perform his marital obligations, but the Court of Appeals reversed the decision of the RTC because psychological incapacity had not been established by the totality of the evidence presented. Issue: whether the totality of evidence presented in this case shows psychological incapacity of the husband. The testimonies were not enough to sustain a finding that the respondent was psychologically incapacitated. Personal medical or psychological examination of respondent is not a requirement for a declaration of psychological incapacity. Although Supreme Court is convinced that respondent failed to provide material support to the family and may have resorted to physical abuse and abandonment, the totality of these acts does not lead to a conclusion of psychological incapacity on his part. There is absolutely no showing that his defects were already present at the inception of the marriage or that they are incurable; hence the petition is dismissed.